Okay, I'm going to try to do a quick demo here to show how to make nice square waveforms for the digital class. I believe you can do sine waves and stuff well, you can definitely do it if you do the equation, but I think you might be able to just put the sine waves in as well if you tried. But square wave is what we're worried about. So first of all, highlight as many as you may want waveforms. Go to Format, Column Width. 8.11 is the default. Go 5, and you can see what looks good to you. But, so then how many am I going to want? How many waveforms do I want to print out here? So I'm going to go to row height. Default is 14.4. I'm going to go 25. So we've got kind of square looking cells here. So square wave, I'm going to start off with my clock waveform perhaps, which is going to be just one square each. Go to borders, more borders, make it a nice thick line here. And you can change the colors if you'd like. We'll leave the clock as black. So start off at 0 and go up. Okay. Here, next, so that's what we have so far. Next one, go to borders again. More borders across the top and then down. So we've got one waveform here, one cycle. Highlight the whole thing, and you get this little square in the bottom that you can grab and pull it out as far as you want. I left it for one there. We'll just pull that. Oops. Well, the last one didn't work. I'll just get rid of it if I can. Might not leave it for now anyway. Fix it later. So now maybe our clock has a bubble on it, and so that means trailing edge. The trailing edge may trigger my next flip-flop in the counter perhaps. So highlight up to the trailing edge there. Same thing. Now we're doing the signal, so let's make it a green. And again, across the bottom and up. Okay, we get that. To the next trailing edge. What is it? Still green and thick line, so across the top and down. Good. One cycle and drag it out to the end. A nice one. Trailing edge here again, so out to there, more borders. And again, thick line, green if we want, red if you want, maybe, whatever you may want. Again, starting off, so across the bottom and up. Over to the trailing edge again here of this one. The borders, same thick red line, so across the top and down. One cycle. And pull it out. Now when I think about it, I've done it this way. You could probably do it even quicker and easier if you, so we'll go one cycle again will be the one trailing edge to the next trailing edge will be one full cycle of our next one. So you could go right out to here and more borders. Again, start off. No, that's not going to work, I guess. No, never mind. So just do it that way and it'll work. Now again, I said I saved this top for maybe I want to have a title, my arms, and make a nice title across the whole top, merge and center, and there you go. All right, thank you. Try that out for some of the labs coming up.